Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy, and this is a Halloween wreath that Carrie and Taylor put together yesterday. The sign is an exclusive Trendy sign, and they've got so many new Halloween and fall signs. They used a 24-inch turquoise pencil wreath. Of course, you could use several different colors. They used two styles of mesh. One was black with silver stripe, and the other was a lime breeze. They cut the mesh strips into 20-inch pieces and put kind of a cruffle, which is kind of a roll, ruffle and a curl. She put black around the bottom and kind of alternated those, putting black on the bottom one time, green on the bottom the next time, and went all the way around the inner and outer ring of the pencil wreath. And they chose 4 different styles of ribbon, and all those ribbons are in stock, I think, except for one, and if the 1.5 inch isn't available, the 2.5 inch is. So they just staggered those ribbons and made a ribbon cluster and kind of spread the ribbons out. And of course, the ribbons are finished off with a dovetail cut or an angled cut. And then they put one cluster of ribbons into each twist all the way around the wreath. The sign is metal. It's an exclusive Trendy sign. They print those as you order them, and they come out with new styles all the time. So you do have to punch holes in the sign. Usually they'll punch one in the top and one in the bottom and secure it to the wreath frame with zip ties or chenille stems. So Carrie is securing the frame, securing the sign, and creating a hanger on the back. And then the next step is the bow. Taylor's making a bow using M's Bow and Go bow maker. That's for sale also at Trendy. It's really neat in that it folds up and the pegs screw in, where some of the other bow makers, the pegs just kind of push in. This one, they screw in, and then when you're through with it, you can unscrew them, and it has a little slot that the pegs can lay in, and then you can fold it up for easy storage. She's making a bow out of the leftover ribbon, a wreath bow, and I think she probably made about 7-inch loops to start with, and then when she uses a different ribbon, she's coming in usually with a little bit smaller size. It just all depends. So you can make that bow any way that you want to. You can make one big bow and or have a couple of smaller bows. It's just all however you want to do it. And if I didn't mention it, the ribbon strips were 12 inches in length for the ribbon clusters. And once the bow is finished, she just eases that off the board and secures it well with a chenille stem, and then attaches the bow to the wreath. And you can, depends on where you put your sign. You can put it in the middle or to the side, one side or the other, and wherever you put your sign will kind of depend on where you want to put your bow. And they're just securing it at the bottom. Now, I know this is a super fast video, but the full regular speed video is on our YouTube channel, and the link will be in the description of this video. All the supplies are from Trendy.